All right, this is my review of the laptop stand. As you can see here, this is the laptop stand. And basically what I will do is I'll show you I'll put my laptop in it so you can see how it works. So basically you put the laptop in the middle and you can have it in clamshell mode. It stands up perfectly like that. You can even put the laptop in on this section. You could even stack 3 laptops on it if you wanted. But what I do is I kind of put the laptop there, and then this one I use for like pens, adapters, things I want to store. So what I like about this is that it's very, very simple, very durable, and it's really easy to set up. You basically just adjust these little screws. They give you the tool for that, and decide on how you can adjust how far these go depending on the size and thickness of your laptop. And yeah, it basically that's it. Like I bought a couple of these. I have one to hold a different thing, and then I have this for my laptop. And I've had this for months. Like, it hasn't broken. These are very sturdy, very reliable. And yeah, one thing to be aware of is that because it's black, it does seem to collect dust, as you can see, especially the back part of it. The dust shows up pretty easily, but it's an easy workaround. You just kind of clean it or dust it. And yeah, so yeah, if you're looking for a reliable laptop stand that just holds your laptop in clamshell mode and it doesn't mess around, it's very minimalist, then I highly recommend this laptop stand.